Hello students, today I will explain you the topic cultivation of the plants. Okay, so you see the screen, this is the topic, and as you see, you have seen that in villages what happened, the farmers cultivate the plant like sugarcane, maize, wheat and rice. Okay, and these are cultivated to get more seeds. Okay, and that type that plants are called cultivated plants. That means what is done here? First of all, in the field, farmers prepare the field, okay, and then sow the seed. How? For this, farmers make the soil loose and by digging the soil and then make it soft, okay, and this process, that means digging of the soil and making the soil soft, is called what? Plugging. So after plugging, the farmers use the seed, that means spread the seed in the field in a proper distance, okay, not very close to each other, and then they sprinkle the seed. After sprinkling the seed, they water the field, and after few days small plants start sprouting, okay, and they will grow. And do you know, along with that small plants, weeds may also appear in the field, and that weeds are very harmful for the rice plant, maize plant, that means cultivated plants. So what happened? The farmers remove that weeds so that they do not consume water and fertilizer that are given to the main crop. Okay, so weeds, what is weed? What are weeds? Weeds are the undesirable plants that grow along the cultivated plant. Okay, so the cultivated plants are sugarcane, maize, wheat, rice. You all see in the field, they are grown for us and for the grown for the people by the farmers. So they are the cultivated plants, and along with the cultivated plants, some undesirable plants also grow, and they are known as what? Weeds. And weeds can harm the growth of the cultivated plants. Hence, farmers remove weeds from the field time to time. Okay, and now this is very short chapter. In this chapter, only 2 or 3 terms you have to know. That is, one is the cultivated plants, and second is the weed and the plugging. As I have told you, what is plugging? Plugging, that means to make the soil soft by digging the soil, okay, soft and loose by digging the soil. This is plugging. And after plugging, the seeds are sprinkled in the field, and then after then the field is watered, and then new plants will grow, okay, and then from that new plant, when they will be mature, and we can get the crops like rice, wheat from that plants. Okay, so that type of plant are called what? Cultivated plant. So this is about the cultivated plants. And now see, one thing that I have explained you in the previous class about the aquatic plants. Okay, and now I am going to show you about the terrestrial plants, which I have told you that I will show in the next class. So come see the video and enjoy the video. This is more about the video. This is about the
in salt water and the hot and humid conditions of the coast.
Now it's the first you have seen the video of the desert plant and hills plant, and today I will start from this mangroves.
The sticky, clayey marsh soil makes it difficult for roots of plants to get air. Mangroves have special breathing roots that grow above the soil to take in air. They can also grow in salty water where other plants would die.
So this is about the marshy areas. Okay, and now see the plants of the plants of the
Neem,
plain.
mango and banyan trees grow in the plains. The spreading branches keep these trees cool in summer. The broad, flat leaves trap sunlight and help the tree make food. These trees are called deciduous trees because they shed their leaves in winter.
Now come to the plants of hot and wet region. Okay, so watch this video.
Important commercial crops such as rubber, coffee, and sugarcane grow well in hot and humid areas. These plants do not shed their leaves. They are evergreen.
Okay, so evergreen trees are there in the hot and wet region. Now come to the one more video, that is of the plants of the coastal region. This is not given in your book, but you just watch the video.
You will find coconut and palm trees in coastal areas as they have adapted themselves to survive in salt water and the hot and humid conditions of the coast.
Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this video, and now I would like to say you that what is your work. You will complete the homework in your copy, and you will draw the diagram like weeds and plugging of the field. Okay, and you will also learn the keywords. And the keywords are the aerial and the meaning of the aerial, that is growing in the air, and the cavities, that is the meaning of the cavities, hollow spaces, and the conical, that is resembling a cone, and uproot, to pull by the root. So what is your work? You will learn these keywords and you will write in your notebook. Okay, so that's all for today. Just go through the chapter, read the chapter, and do all the question answer. Do the keywords. Okay, that's all. Thank you.